Out with the old and new with the custom solution. Next on Home Pro Hero. It's getting cold. I need to start wrapping these outside projects up. I got a long list of indoor projects next. If you haven't seen videos on the furniture I've built so far for the pavilion, take a look. I'll put one up here right now. So what makes this chair different than any other chair on the internet? It's real simple. I've modified the arms and the legs to be bigger and bulkier. I like big, strong things. I'm using 2x6s to get this done. Let's cut 4 legs out of 2x6, 23 3/4 each. Okay, we need 2 armrests, 2x6 material. We're gonna do 33 3/8 inches. Okay, same screws I've used for all the other furniture I've built. GRK trim head screws. That comes with the drill bit and everything. So you're good to go if you just buy the box. Okay, so we got 2 identical legs, big and bulky. I like the way they look. Let's cut the rest of it now. Okay, here's one of the big differences with the chair that I'm building today is I'm using 2x6s for not only the legs, but also the stringers that hold the seat cushion. Most people use a 2x4 there, but I like the bulkiness of a 2x6, so I'm using a 2x6. Okay, so the bottom's gonna come in about, looks like about 10 1/4, and the bottom of this one's going to come in about 13 1/4. Really look for the angles to line up. That's what you're looking for. Go ahead and put some glue on it and let's screw it. Cut the filler pieces for the seat. So my seat cushion's 24 wide, 23 deep. So I need 24-inch boards, pretty simple. Okay, I moved to the concrete floor. That table's got a little bit of a warp in the middle. So I'm gonna make sure that this thing's sitting straight across there. So okay, so now I need to put the seat stringers in, or I guess the seat slats. They need to be about the width of the pad and the depth too. I'm at 23 deep, so I think pad's 20, yeah, it's 23 deep. And then the width's 24, so those are 24-inch 2x4s. I made a small mistake that can be fixed. My legs are a little too long because I didn't take into account that I was going with a thicker material here, so this cushion can sit down in here. So really, it fits me like a champ. But unfortunately, my wife's like 5'3", and that's not going to work for her, even though she's probably not going to be allowed to sit in it. Just kidding. She'll probably be the only one sitting in it. So So I'll probably need to take a little bit off the legs. I haven't determined how much yet. I may take off, it sits pretty tall, so I got plenty of room. I made those legs a little longer than I really thought I needed, at least according to Google. So I think I'll probably end up taking about 3 inches off. Let me just take a look at this and we'll see. Okay, I ended up taking off about 4 inches of the leg, which I think I overbuilt it like 2 inches, 3 inches anyways. And then I went up higher anyway, so I think it's gonna fit everybody now. It still looks perfectly fine from the side too. Not too low. It's still a big chair. It's a commander chair, right? Okay, so now the hardest part. We gotta put this piece in here. Let me show you how it goes. It's the hardest part because the way you have to fasten it. Now you could get L brackets here and here, and I may end up doing that anyways, just to kind of beef it up a little bit, but there's really nowhere you can come in the sides here to get it. You can get it from here, possibly come in from the angles on the sides and stuff, but this has to be pretty strong because you got people's backs there. So I'm gonna use pocket screws. If I didn't have a pocket screw jig, I'd just put angles underneath it, and I would drill 2 screws on each side using deck screws, and then I'm gonna liquid nails it too. Because if there's a weak spot to this chair, it's gonna be this, because people are gonna be, you know, thrusting back a lot, so. All right, so here's my pocket screws. You can get a cheaper jig than this one. This isn't even the most expensive one, but I use this for my wainscoting and cabinet making, so it's kind of a nice tool. I've had it for a while, but you can get one, I think it's cheap as $22. But anyways, that's what it does. It bores those holes such as this, and then it'll allow me to come in with an angle through here. Let's go put it in. Okay, I think I got it pretty good. Gotta definitely let that dry, but definitely got it. Hopefully it's strong enough. I think it is, so I'm not gonna be worried too much about it. But that was a difficult piece to get in there because those screws naturally want the board to come up. So I had to keep a lot of pressure in the upper part, but it's in there. Especially when that liquid nail sets, it should be really good. All right, got a few more pieces to go here. Okay, so the last thing I need to do is I need to cut down a 2x4 to make it a 2x2. You can buy a 2x2 at the store, but I got extra scrap. So 2x2, that way I can screw in from the top into the 2x4s, get them all nice and straight back there, and then I'll use liquid nails to make up the difference in the back. You can see right here, like this one's out a little bit more, and this one's tight, and that one's tight. So I'll probably put more liquid nails in those two to kind of push it all forward a little bit. I think it's about a 6° or 7° angle there. That's what my math came out to be. Let's cut this down real quick. Cheap at-home chair, you're out of here. New custom chair, it's in here. Let's go get the cushions. Just in time. Hope these things are worth the money. $100. salty for 2 cushions. Man, I hope these fit. I built the chair knowing the specs online, but you never know what they expect. I got these on Amazon. Good quality. I'm actually impressed with the quality. They're actually better than our couch quality, I think. We'll see how they last. I'll probably take them in the winter time, but I'm pretty impressed with them right off the bat. See if they fit. Come on, baby. Baby. Oh yeah. Oh yes, sir. Well, I'm impressed with this pillow. It's huge. It is a fat pillow. I wonder if I can get stuffy. Yeah, I can't get stuffy now. May have to. This thing's huge. I'm gonna be honest with you. That was not the easiest project in the world. But with that said, I love it. Everything about it. It's fat. Sits low. It's comfortable. Looks great. Can't beat it. The wood, screws, nails came in about $58. Then I had to spend $100 on both cushions. They came from Amazon. I'll put a link in the description along with all the measurements for the chair. The most difficult part was that 5-degree angle at the bottom. Getting that to fit in there and making sure my 2 legs were the same distance as my top armrest. That's what's critical. Now I have those measurements and I'll help you cheat to get it done right. Anyways, if you like this video, take a look at this one. It's good too. If not, take care.